Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain UrbanCompany mobile app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, UrbanCompany is a popular app that lets you book trusted professionals for home services like salon at home, AC repairs, cleaning and plumbing, and more. It's known for its easy to use, offering a verified service provider and showing a price upfront, so there is no need to bargain or guess. Many users love it for its convenience, especially for last-minute booking or when you don't want to deal with a local service hassle. Services are useful, safe, fast, and reliable in major cities. However, it's not perfect. Some users find the price a bit higher compared to local workout, and while most professionals are trained, service quality can sometimes vary. Also, cancellation fee might be applied if you change your mind late. UrbanCompany is best if you want a smooth, professional experience at home and are okay paying a little more for it. So if you are on a tight budget or live outside a big city, it might not be your best option. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.